Hello students, I am Abhishek Srivastav from Green Valley English School, and today we are going to discuss about World Heart Day. Do you know the number one reason that causes death around the world is nothing but heart disease? World Heart Federation states that approximately 17.5 million people die due to cardiovascular disease in a year. Amongst this, an estimated 6.7 million ended their lives due to stroke, whereas 7.4 million as a cause of coronary artery diseases (CAT). This indicates a harsh reality that represented 31% of total deaths across the world. Heart Day is celebrated globally on 29th September every year. This day is celebrated internationally in order to create awareness about various heart diseases and how to take care of your health, which is primarily reason why all of us exist today. However, most of us take it for granted and continue leading lives that prove to be harmful for this living organ that beats inside us. Besides, every individual need to understand that it is the sole reason of our existence. By taking a few tips, you can ensure a smooth and safe life, not just for yourself but also for your loved ones. Exercise. In order to keep the heart pumping smoothly, it is important that you exercise each day without fail. A daily exercise routine or any other form of physical activity for a period of 30 to 45 minutes is mandatory to keep the arteries flexible. It also keeps the blood pressure level in check. Healthy diet. All of us know that eating healthy is the key to live longer. However, most of us tend to ignore it. Weight. Excess of body weight is dangerous for your heart. Always keep a strict eye on the weighing machine because weight is major catalyst to shooting up cholesterol level, the birth of diabetes, risk of artery diseases and blood pressure. Ensure your BMI, that is body mass index, is optional. No smoking, no alcohol. It is the best way to avoid heart diseases. Stress. Keep stress at bay as much as possible. This is because it leads to increased heart rate, which can in turn result in loss of oxygen, leading to chest pain. You are a greater heart risk if you worry all the time. Engage in your hobbies and stay optimistic. Thank you.